A very good morning, children. Today we are going to begin our chapter Capital and Revenue Expenditure Income. That is, in a business, what are the capital expenditure, what are the capital receipt and revenue receipt, what is revenue expenditure, their differences, what is capital receipt and revenue receipt, their differences, then what is deferred payment. All this comes under this chapter. Okay, everything related to business. Okay, so the first we are going to deal is meaning of capital expenditure. What do you mean by capital expenditure? Capital expenditure refers to funds that are used by a company for the purchase, improvement or maintenance of a long-term assets to improve the efficiency or capacity of the company. Long-term assets are usually physical, fixed and non-consumable assets such as property, equipment or infrastructure, and that have a useful life of more than one accounting period. So any expenditure which is fruitful for the company for a future. The best example they have given is any machine you have, or if you have built some building infrastructure, you have built some roads, which you spend, and that assets long for a very which more than one period, 1 year, is known as capital expenditure. Okay, also known as capex means or capital expenses. Capital expenditure includes the purchase of items such as new equipment, machinery, land, plant, building or warehouse, furniture, fixtures, business vehicles, software or intangible assets such as patent and license for your own organization. Intangible assets which cannot be touched, isn't it? That is known as intangible. Now the next is meaning of revenue expenditure. Now tell me, what is revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditure is also called an income statement expenditure. Is a cost related to the assets that are not capitalized because they will not provide a financial benefit in the future period. In other words, revenue expenditure are extra expenses. The extra expenses, you have spent some money to buy the buy an asset. An asset is a capital expenditure. Now why is it capital? Because it lasts for a longer period of time. So the money which you spend on these assets, that is known as revenue expenditure, and they do not add any additional value to the assets or increase its useful life. Okay, now let's see some examples of capital expenditure. Purchase of permanent tangible assets, asset which you can feel and touch, that is plant and machinery, office equipment. All sums spent up to a point an asset is ready for use. Okay, it also includes cartage charges paid to bring the machinery to factories, installation charges, fees, everything comes under capital expenditure. And the revenue expenditure, what are they? Maintenance of the assets, selling expenses, wages paid to the workers, utility expenses, rent expenses, all this which are smaller and that doesn't last for a longer period of time is known as revenue expenditure. The next is, what is the difference between a capital expenditure and revenue expenditure? Capital expenditure is that amount spent on the more valuable goods or services which is used for a long duration, and this revenue expenditure is the amount spent on more goods or services which are used for a short duration, right? Then we will drive the benefit from these expenditure in the current year as well as future years. Not only it is kept for 1 year, it is kept for a long period. And in case of revenue expenditure, we will drive the benefit for this only current year. Current year means only for that present year. Next, duration. Capital expenditure has a duration of more than 1 year and they have only for that particular year. It will be posted in the balance sheet, and this revenue expenditure is posted in the profit and loss and trading account. These expenditure will be capitalized, and these expenditure will not be capitalized. It is non-recurring in nature, it is recurring in nature. It improves the work capacity or grows the business to run the existing business capacity properly. That means, like, machinery, you are just trying to when you install a machine, that is a capital expenditure, and then the other expenses which you incur for maintaining that machine, that comes under revenue expenditure. Okay, it has no subcategory, it has two categories, subcategories, that is direct expenses, indirect expenses.